Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing. Close Android Studio, VS Code, and any running emulators so files aren't locked. Next, find and note your Flutter install path and the path entries that reference it. This makes restoration predictable. Back up your project-specific files like pubspec. Lock, plugin folders, and any modified engine artifacts. You'll want them after reinstall. Once done, open a terminal with admin rights and proceed to remove the Flutter directory and related path entries to ensure a clean uninstall. You now clean the middle ground. Delete the Flutter SDK directory and any cache folders like ~, pubcache or %localappdata %/ Flutter to remove stale packages. Make sure to clear Android SDK temp files and derived build folders from your projects so old artifacts don't persist. Then, remove path entries or symlinks to the Flutter binary and restart your shell to flush environment variables. This prevents old binaries from being picked up and ensures the reinstall starts with a truly fresh state. You finish by reinstalling. Clone or extract a fresh Flutter SDK to your chosen location and add the Flutter/bin folder back into your path, then restart your terminal. Run Flutter Doctor to let Flutter download required components and to reveal any platform-specific fixes you need to apply. Make sure Android Studio SDK paths and license agreements are resolved. If something goes wrong, run Flutter Doctor V and FlutterPub cache repair to gather diagnostics and rebuild caches. That single troubleshooting step solves many lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.